Hi everyone, I'm Ananya, and to say that just a few years back I was just like a normal person, I wasn't aware of much stuff, the world was going on there, I was playing here, it was just a fun ride until like 5 years back, a bird, it built its nest on my balcony using plastic wires. That was when I realized that, oh my gosh, global warming, it's actually happening. Climate change, pollution, all this, it's happening. And it's because of us. Because our planet, before we invented plastic and all that, it was pure, it was clean. It was giving to us, we were giving back. But that stopped. And now we're on a journey. We're trying to help discover why and help stop that. This I started with my brother, and we've done a lot of recycling. But the main thing, I feel it's creating the change. Because, it's no use if only one person does it and everyone else is like, why are you doing that? You have to make the community aware, the nation aware. And that's the journey we've been on. And this is just one aspect of it, environment. Then another thing, mental health. So this is similar to what you'd said actually. And we read in the newspaper that due to exams, board exams, a person, he'd run away from his house. He was too scared to face exams. And I feel that as a grade 10 student right now, I have my boards in 2 weeks.
Yeah, she has come today. Give her a big hand.
And the main thing is that he had no way to purge that stress and that peer pressure. And the pressure which, it was increasing. Even I feel that pressure, but at least now I can talk it out to my friends and my family. But that boy, he didn't have that opportunity. Which is why me and my brother, we decided to create a platform where you could share and express your own feelings and opinions. So that's led us to our journey on mental health. Mind your mind. And we didn't just focus on students, because the thing is, when students grow up to adults, they need to, contribute to the society. And for that to happen, at first they should be nurtured. And even the adults in their surroundings, they should also, they should not just degrade them. They should help contribute. So to do that, in our society, we've hosted many mental health camps, in labor camps as well. And that's literally the main thing, because, the impact, the change we give. Now, this is all in a local level. Okay, fine. But internationally, the change has to not be contained only to a small area. So that's when we realized that making short films and dramas, it was the easiest way to spread that knowledge. Because many people, when you just record a video and you be like, look at this is global warming, climate change, people are not really going to see it. But if you give it out in entertainment, people are more likely to see it. Entertainment is the most efficient way to communicate. And that's why we've so far created 12 short films and 2 stage dramas. Thank you. On various social and environmental issues, and they have been recognized internationally in over 15 countries. But thank you so much. But still, it's that need is still growing. It's still living inside both of us to continue our journey. And even if I'm facing exams, I'm facing, we are still students in school. And in the future as well, no matter what career path I'm going to choose, I'm never going to give up this hobby, this passion within me. And that's why I'm here. Thank you so much.